Welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel here on MDC Vids, the entertainment channel. We're just giving us some videos to distract you from the fact that there's a new strain of the coronavirus and it's coming around the same time that COVID-19 did last year before this entire thing went to crap. So anyway, I'm filming this video on Boxing Day. Yesterday was lit. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday yesterday and having a wonderful holiday today, which is Saturday right now. But yeah, hope y'all had a good holiday. I had a great one. I was spending it with my family. I made a ham and we had just nyam in place, and then we just watch some videos and we chilled and we just talked and stuff. It was a very fun holiday. But now that Christmas done, it's time to look towards the new year. Guys, 2021 is just around the corner, like what, 3 or a couple days left. One more holiday so we can rest. And also just a new year for new opportunities, new resolutions, new this, new that. But when we're talking about the new year and going into the new year with new possibilities and new that, there is some old stuff for the old year and the old times that we need to leave behind. Yes, in this video we're going to talk about the trends where we need to leave in our 2020. We're now carry it over. I'm not supposed to carry it over at least. By the way, miss my highlights. Hey, boy, got highlights. Nah, joking. I just use this wax something that I got. Where I get it from? I don't know. I'm going know. By the way, if you want me to do a video with the different waxes, I have like, how much color I have? I have red, gold, and silver. Can probably get some different colors and do a video on that if you don't want. Because I realized I don't like the hair video I did last week. So if you don't want more hair videos, just comment it down and I will do more hair videos. And if you haven't already, just subscribe so you can join the NDC Vids family and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I do a video. Alright, so this video now is basically inspired by a series this YouTuber called Jackie Aina used to do. Now she basically does makeup and so on, but every year she'll do a series called What Trend to Leave in the Old Year. So basically, I'm just doing the Jamaican version of that because she stopped doing it because she never really liked the fact that people used to come to her channel just for that video.
I heard you were talking shit about me.
But basically, I don't wear makeup and I like those videos, so I'd go to her channel for that video and then come off after because I'm not gonna watch the makeup one day. But yeah, she stopped it. But I'm just like, hey, let me do that here. The Jamaican version on my channel. So on Instagram I ask which trends we don't want to leave behind. So this video is a mixture of the trends we don't want to leave behind and the trends me want to leave behind. But yeah, the first trend want to tell me is wearing the pants underneath your body. So for the men, them wear the pants way down on them ankle, or if you want to call it sagging, whatever. Basically, man them, the girl never say it not cute when if you leave it back in a 2020. Sure, never started in a 2020. It's been done since me day in a prep school. But the ladies never say a time to wrap it up now. I don't do it personally, but the ladies them sick it. Now the other trend that everybody want to leave in a 2020. I don't know who does this trend because everybody wants it leave. So I don't know who fall through the cracks and I keep up this trend. SML. Now, if y'all don't know what SML is, it means smile in text language. I don't know who for text language, but it means smile. Left it in a 2020. Nobody wants to see that. Use an emoji. Use LOL. Use something. No. That weird. Now someone else on Instagram was saying everyone wanting to be an influencer. No, I mean, I get where it can be annoying where everybody subscribe to this, subscribe to that, yeah. But at the same time, I like seeing people do what they want to do. I like seeing people pursue what they want to pursue. So if everybody want to be an influencer, everybody be an influencer. I'm not just saying this because I want to be an influencer. But I guess somebody has said they want that living in 2020. So some people are saying them sitting here need for it, them need to go. I'm not telling them like, you kind of look away. Like you have somebody who look natural and you have somebody who like, it's like thin and then blending, but it just look thick and nice. But then you have them here, and them here. Instagram say it though, not me, ladies. Don't attack me. Instagram say. But to be honest, Jamaica kind of hot still, so I wouldn't mind somebody in front of me breeze me with every blink. So hey, no, this small business is it not helpful no. it not helping no. Leave it in 2020. Leave it in 2020. Just put it on the post. Put it on the post. We know that, yeah, sure, prices might change. Just put the price and put price subject to change so that we can just see. As we tap it, we see how much look nice, tap it, see the price. I don't want to DM you if you get the price. And we don't know if you maybe a change of the price because of how somebody look or what. But put down the price, edit it if the price change. If you promote it on Instagram, if you promote a post, you can't edit it, but just put price subject to change. And if it's changed, just type it in the comments of that post and pin it. Stop that. Guys, I feel lonely and I need new contacts. Hit up my line. That's just weird and low-key just desperate. Stop. Cause half of the time if somebody hit you up and not talk to them. So why you do it? Why? That's weird. Stop it.
Yeah. Why you do it, man?
Now I don't know about Uno, but I am sick and tired of watching a YouTube video or going through Instagram and then there's this game ad. And then the game ad no look too bad. I'm like, okay, you know, someone could have do this, someone could have do that different or that different. I'm could have beat that game and thing. And you go to the app store, you download the game. And it's not like what it is. It's not false advertising. I mean, if you sue some of them game, you know, come need some money, me broke. Cause it's a show this and it's completely not that. They might show you this and you basically get Bejeweled Quest. I don't want that. Stop it. Stop it. Leave it in 2020. We don't want to see that no more. Yo, it's the pants for me. Yo, it's the hair for me. It's the mind for me. No. Honestly, I use this. So, yeah, this one was from Instagram again. Like 2 different people said this one. So I'm saying, hey, I guess then why we leave it in 2020, guys. It's over. Stop it. I guess people want to leave it back, so we have to leave it back. Now this last trend, from it come up, I was never easy. I was always uneasy when I hear it. Brogad. Like, no. I mean, fine, we can keep Andrew Holness with Honorable Brogad, but everybody else. Ooh.
Little nasty!
Everybody else, no. Stop it. No. Alright, so that's the trends what Uno and me want live back in 2020. And I'm just hoping not to see some of them back in 2021. Honestly, when I go see that one here from me, if you don't follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, by the way, down in the description and Instagram. But yeah, I hope most of these left back in 2020. But also, I hope you guys had a good holiday. I wish for you guys a good holiday. And also, speaking of Twitter, I have this little hashtag thing I have going called Respect 2020. It's basically, I just want people to, you know, just think of one thing about 2020 or one thing or more about 2020 that they're proud of. Just to, you know, tweet with the hashtag Respect 2020 because, hey, 2020 was a doom, gloom year. And it kind of stay away, but I want people to see that, yo, there's a silver lining in everything, so let's just focus on the positives as we're leaving it back. Let's not remember all the negatives, let's remember the positives. So if you guys could, and if you have a Twitter, just post something that you're proud of that you did in 2020 with the hashtag Respect 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more, just subscribe if you haven't. And I'll post next one next week Tuesday around this time again. Also, just leave in the comments any trends that you want to see die in 2020 because we know there's way more that we never touch on. So just comment them if you have any that you want to see die. Thank you so much for watching this video and come back next week again. My good day. Let me see this. Yeah.